Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but likely response to my recent community post about knives I'm looking for review. You can check that out in the community tab. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. Oh, who's this from? This is actually from Way of Knife. They reached out and said if there's anything you want to check out, just let us know. And there was one thing. This is a curiously large box, though. So, oh, we got a couple. All right, and we got Jolly Ranchers, and we got Band-Aids. All right. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you'll know that I need Band-Aids for sure. Awesome, and a return label. So nice, thank you. Because these will go back, by the way. Hey, MC, here's the blank you wanted to check out. One bone stock, so you can see it as the manufacturer intends. And another one to check out that's not so bone stock. Oh, okay, so that's what the other one is. Oh, you know what? Let's just get into it. Hang on a sec here. So, I don't know which one is which. So we're going to kind of open them at about... Oh my gosh. That's what you mean. I love this. Oh, cool. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, I love that. Yes. Holy crap. Thank you. This is awesome. Look at that. Wow. I am so pumped. Look at how they did this too. Oh, I love this. Nice work, guys. That is just excellent. Oh, man, I'm so pumped. Thank you. I will keep this. That's really, really cool. Really cool. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Okay, let me see which one this is. Okay, so what we want to do here, I'm seeing a little bit of color on that one. So let's open up this one first. Yeah. So this is the... Come on now. Let's figure this out. Let's get it. Come on. There we go. The Kizer. Gosh, this thing is so weird. The Cyberblade. So a lot of people are going to, if you've never seen this before, you're going to say, that looks like the Cybertruck. Yes. Weird thing to exist, right? The motivation behind this was that it looks like the Cybertruck. Which is just an absolutely bizarre concept to me. But you know what? Sometimes things like this that are kind of ridiculous and more so meant to be fun than serious, right? You know, I think it's easy to jump to the conclusion like, why would anyone ever make that? Oh, and just be, mad about it. Try coming at it from the perspective that it's kind of fun to be ridiculous sometimes, right? Obviously, there are better tools out there, right? I mean, day to day. Will this function as a day-to-day tool? Well, sure it is. It's titanium and S35VN, and honestly, substantially smoother than I ever would have imagined. Truthfully, doing the reverse flick is pretty easy because of the angle of this slot. You can get your finger in there. Oh, but don't push it too far through, because if you do that, your finger will get stuck. You want just the just the tip. Oh, man. Why? My dialogue. Why? Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Now, this other one here, which they have customized, let's take a look. Oh, they did the MC helmet on it. Oh, that looks so cool. I mean, I am kind of look at this is sick, man. I mean, I'm kind of like celebrating myself here, so maybe I should, maybe I should take it a touch back, but look at this galaxy helmet theme. This is so cool. Now how it, like the laser work, when you turn it, it shows up silver. Oh my gosh, man. That is so cool. Wow. I like that. That's really neat. Well, this is This is fantastic. I'm very excited about this. Thank you so much for sending these in for me to take a look at. You guys will get full comprehensive reviews of these knives. I mean, you know, you check out EDC, sorry, let me make sure that I've got the information here. So surely there's here we go. Yeah. EDC Gear House. That's what you want to check out. Make sure you take a look and see what else they've got. They do a lot of, you know, customization and things like that. If they're capable of stuff like this, this is really, really cool. Yeah, check them out. You'll get a full comprehensive review of this down the road. I think I said that. Just keep in mind, you know, it's kind of meant to be kind of a fun thing, right? Obviously, it's not going to be like this design in particular is not going to be for everybody, but it is weird and different, right? I kind of like that Kizer is willing to take this approach, and other, you know, not just Kizer, but other companies willing to take this approach. So very cool. In any case, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to EDC Gear House for letting me check these out and doing this awesome custom work here. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.